Hi everyone, myself Srinivas, and today we will discuss digital electronics subject. In that we will discuss logic gates. So first of all, what is a logic gate? Okay, what is a logic gate? Here a digital circuit with one or more input signals. A digital circuit with one or more input signals but only one output signal is called a logic gate. Suppose we'll see one gate. This is an AND gate. So for this AND gate we are giving one or more input signals. Okay, A, B. Here A dot B, only one output signal. So one or more input signals and only one output signal is called logic gate, and the output is depending upon the input signal and the type of gate. Okay, the output will be depending upon the input signal and the type of gate. Okay, so these logic gates are the fundamental building blocks of digital systems. For digital systems, these logic gates are fundamental building blocks. Okay, here in this logic gate, since the logic gate is a switching circuit, its input and output can have only two possibilities. That is high voltage, or high voltage is nothing but 1 and the low voltage equal to 0. Okay, nothing but either on, 1 means on, 0 means off. Okay, so the logic gates are broadly classified into basic logic gates, universal logic gates, and special logic gates. 3 types. Okay, so coming to the basic logic gates, again these basic logic gates are classified into AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. And second one, universal logic gates are classified into NAND gate, NOR gate, and the special logic gates are classified into 2 types, XOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay, so we will see in this video, we will see basic logic gates, AND gate. So we will discuss basic logic gates. Okay, the logic gates and or not are called basic logic gates, and here is a symbol of AND gate. Okay, here this AND gate contain 2 or more inputs and only one output. So here this logic gate performs logical multiplication, that is A dot B, and known as AND function. Okay, logical multiplication is also called as AND function. Here this is a standard symbol, a logic symbol. Okay, standard logic symbol for AND gate. It can be drawn in this way. This is a logic symbol for AND gate. It consists of 2 or more inputs and only one output. Okay, it may be 2 inputs or more than 2 inputs and output y equal to a dot b. It's a logic. That is the output. So as we are giving two inputs, then here 2 power n equal to 2 inputs, nothing but 2 power 2 equal to 4 possibilities are there. They are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So a and b are the inputs and output equal to y equal to a dot b. Okay, logical AND function. So 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1. So here when both inputs are low, output is low. Okay, when any one of the input is low, output is low. Only when both A and B inputs are 1, then only output is high. Okay, in this way we will read this truth table. This is a truth table of AND gate. Okay, thank you.